Hey friends, if you encounter this error, there is not enough memory to complete this operation, then please watch this video. Now, first of all, I will give you a very genuine advice. This is memory. This is for RAM. RAM means memory, memory means RAM. So, reducing the disk space, deleting applications and all is not really going to help this case. Here's the exact thing that you can do. First of all, try to search for system configuration and open system configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on Disable or Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Okay, so here's what would happen. Your system will restart with no background application in process, and that will be the state at which you can use the maximum possible RAM. If that helps, well and good. If that does not help, then you will straight away have to buy more RAM and add it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.